Hello people, this is Dartbucket and we are starting off with backend development for absolute beginners using Node.js. So anyways, what is a backend? This is what Google has to say and I'm not going to read this. We'll instead look at this image. So this is how a modern day web application looks like in its simplest form. So anyway, there are three main components: database, backend, and a front end. You probably already know what a front end is, where your user interacts with your application, right? So your backend right here in this application decides which user has access to what kind of data and how that data would be presented, right? So this is something your backend decides, and in a nutshell, that's what it does. And there's a lot of things your backend does. So in theory, your backend is responsible for data management, business logic, user authentication, and there's a lot more your backend does. And in this series, we have a lot to cover. So let's get started. So the basic idea of Node.js was to use JavaScript both on backend and frontend, right? But there's a problem. Your computers do not understand programming languages as they are. Your computer, your bare metal machine, understands the machine code. And this machine code has an abstraction on top of it, that is the assembly language. And on top of it, we have the other languages like C++, your regular C sharp or other languages, right? And same thing goes for JavaScript as well. Well, your browsers come equipped with this V8 engine that was developed by Google that is responsible for running JavaScript. And there's this guy who thought, why not take out that V8 engine, put it inside of some other C++ program and call it Node, right? And that's how Node.js was born. And now, congratulations, you can run JavaScript on your server as well. And that's what we are going to do in this series. So you can head over to this website, download and install Node.js on your system, and we will take it from there. Well, that's it for this introductory video. In the next video, we'll see how you can build a basic HTTP server using Node.js. Stay tuned. See you guys in the next one.